So today I'm putting a slipcover on the IKEA Tullsta armchair, and I'm just going to make it super quick today. I've already started to put the slipcover on, and I'm just going to turn it around so you can see how it comes together on the back. So because we use fabrics that aren't of all the same content, like some are polyester, some are cotton, some stretch more than others, we tend to use a lot of invisible zippers so that each fabric can basically conform to the shape of the chair without pulling at the seams. So in this case, on the original cover, it is just one piece without a zipper, but I am using lovely, luxurious velvet in navy today, and so it doesn't have as much stretch as the canvas cotton, which is why we put the invisible zipper down the back. So you just slip it on top like this, and then all you're gonna do is zip it down, and it's invisible. Wow. Okay. Now all you need to do is add your cushions. So here I have seat cushion already prepared. Slip this over, it's pretty easy, you don't need a tutorial on how to do that. And the little pillow to complete the look. And I really think this chair is so timeless. It'll stay with you decade after decade, and if you can just upgrade it with a simple cover like this, it'll always be in style, always in season, and always fit your decor.